Straight there.
I'm going.
Choose a talent.
Always with the focusing of me. Nope.
Oh shit.
Nope.
Nope. Yep.
Fuck.
We need to target Lily or one of their damage, not
Yeah.
Pudge, not.
Yeah, because tanking is never, ever, in the history of ever, Joanna. Joanna doesn't die, that's just not what she does. This is fun, but it's okay.
My curse upon you.
It's okay. So while they're doing this curse on us, I'm gonna pick up some camps.
They're not really doing anything, but I have a feeling they're probably getting the boss.
I hope
I think
not.
that's where they're at. Because they're not pushing like they should be, so they're probably there. Oh, sorry, they're getting our boss. Which they just
Oh.
got.
The mind games.
I knew they had to be somewhere like that.
Alright, I'm heading them up. Oh, careful. Don't. Alright. Yeah. Careful, friend.
My curse subsides.
This curse ended before they could get here. Just focus the boss. Yeah! Yeah! Look at that, Plague of Toads. Get that, Lily. Lily. I guess since we've got her in death range.
Ah, that seems generous.
What mount is that, Ashlers?
That's a BlizzCon mount.
Ooh, pretty.
So,
Not last year, but maybe the year before.
Okay.
oh wow.
I remember playing this game when it was called Blizzard All Stars.
Really?
It was on demo at BlizzCon.
Oh. Oh, I see the shimmer. Where are you? There you are.
Oh yeah, it's new.
I got. Yep. I thought my stun could get me out of there, but it didn't work.
Damn, that
so-
guy wouldn't die.
Joanna. Joanna's so strong. Stop it, Joanna. Stop it, please.
We're gonna switch.
Alright. Alright. Nope, 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 nope. I've screwed myself because I thought I could get past.
You tried, Brett.
Oh, I almost made it too. Nope, because it never was. Alright, so that makes me feel a little bit better. Makes me feel better I was screwed either way. About to show y'all how to Nova. Yeah, Jaina's from WoW. Jaina is the current leader of the Kirin Tor. Or I don't know, I think she get ripped that. Didn't she get that position ripped from her?
I don't know.
I don't remember.
I don't know.
She's super angry now because Malagos is.
Stitches
She's having
got it.
romantic problems with Malagos. Malagos, yeah.
Oh shit!
Okay. I'm gonna push out top.
I didn't. I saw the Lily and the Joanne. I didn't see the other guys. That was my fault.
Okay. Yeah, this is gonna be hard. Because I got 3 levels on us. Oh, you are not doing this to me, boy. I'm getting this to
Oh.
Screw you. I don't care. I got the fort. Got the fort. I'm dead though, so we won't be able to get that tribute probably. Failure. Failure.
God damn it.
They changed the witch doctor. I don't like this. That's lame.
What was the stuff you got for going to BlizzCon this year?
I didn't go this last year. This first one I missed.
I mean, the one coming up. Like, what do you get special-wise?
Oh, I don't know. I don't think they've said yet, have they?
I thought they announced, like, a bag. I know one of them is a pet.
That's right,
I know.
they did. And there's like, and you can like enter to get it even if you're not going. I didn't look at it.
Yeah, I know you you get a Murloc pet, but it looks like Illidan. So that's, or Mercadin or something like that.
Yeah, they always pretty much do that one.
I know the only one I do have is Murky when they announced StarCraft 2.
Oh yeah, that one.
Well, we tried valiantly, but I didn't know they changed Nazeebo around.
Unacceptable. You shall know my curse.
Ah. Apparently I'm the worst Diablo.
Oh, nonsense. He's not as bad as that. Oh, but I might be the worst in Nazeebo. They're just... killer.
We are closing in.
Vaughn is just angry.
Yep.
Enough. The curse is over. I hope. Choose a talent.
Shit, this is right. God damn it. I tried to move around too.
This world will burn.
Yeah, we got one tower.
Woo! Protect that tower with our lives! It's a pretty tower.
We can do this. No. Maybe. Okay, they moved sleeping spiders around. No problem. Stop it. Stop it. Come back
Elder,
here.
thank you for
You
the follow,
silly.
man.
Mr. Golem.
Attack.
Excuse me, Mr. Golem. If you could stop that.
Elder Tross?
Oh god, don't ever play with him. I'm not talking about a bad HOTS player.
Who?
Elder Tross.
Look at you. You guys can hug now. I think we might not get that tribute. Push up mid though. Sad they moved leaping spiders around. I like the Mazibo.
Ooh.
Is it hot in here? You know what? It's probably me. I am fear.
I killed you. You tried to kill me so bad. That was worth it.
Trying to kill Lily.
Holy shit!
This bitch would stop healing, you could kill her.
She doesn't do that.
Had full health.
Yeah. If it means anything, we have caught up. We are no longer 4 levels behind. Only 2 now. I'm on horse.
I couldn't screw this up bad enough we could come back.
Yeah. If I can catch them before they catch that tribute. No, just before 2. Yeah, you're stuck there. Die. Die, die,
Yeah,
die, die.
Jared.
Alright. I've
Got shit out there.
Yeah. Alright.
Let's just push middle tower.
Yeah, 'cause we have mercenaries. I'm gonna get my gargantuan going. And that should do well for us. We get that forward.
Someone save me. My ice block. Now I'm stuck. God damn it.
Screw her. Don't even worry about it. She's silly poopy.
I am #1 NA Nazebo. Whatever, Elder. Dream on.
Dude, Nazebo's changed. You can't even build them all spider anymore, because you don't get leaping spiders to like 17 now. They used to be like his level 8, I think.
fuck
Which
me.
made him really OP.
Run, mindless, run!
Ah, look, I have trapped them!
Can we get this?
Yep, coming.
I can die to it. I can do
Yeah!
that. Really?
No, don't do that. You should go back.
Yeah. Later.
Actually, you both should go back.
Oh.
Yeah, don't
no,
do that.
just leave.
Don't.
Your core is
Both of you leave.
Nope. I didn't know that can pull more than 1 people now. I'm in bad.
God damn.
Death can save you from me.
We're probably... Astro's is probably like, I never want to play HOTS with these guys again. What did I sign up for?
You did tell me you were bad.
Yeah, I told you to preface it ahead of time. I am horrible at this game.
you, heroes.
I even put it in the title. It's like, I am horrible at this game.
Oh, Sylvanas.
I grabbed the wrong person.